Hello. Thank you for stopping by. My beautiful little birds coming to get some water. Because winter's coming, I have my beautiful bird bath put away, but this one works perfectly for them. For now, they love to take their little bath in it. How are you? Hope you're taking time to breathe and do some things just for you. I know it's a busy season, but find time for you today, even if it's just a moment. What do you enjoy doing? I love you. May you find the sparkles of joy. May this video bring a smile to you. I love you. Be well.